Hey guys, it's the Haschak Sisters, and today we're going to be doing the Exploding Watermelon Challenge.
What you need is rubber bands and a watermelon. We're going to be using some heavy duty ones because we don't know how much they'll take. And then we're going to be using our cute rubber bands. And we're just going to wrap the rubber bands around the watermelon until it explodes.
And if you want to try this at home, make sure you have some eye protection like sunglasses like we're using, or goggles, or anything.
And we're going to be putting the video in time lapse because we don't know how long it's going to take. But when it gets ready to explode, we'll put it in slow motion so you can see.
Let's do this!
Watermelon!
All the juice, it's so floppy. 325 rubber bands.
To cover it.
Entertainment.
To make it pop. And it's really good.
It tastes really good.
This is good watermelon.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun.
Yeah, we had a lot of
You
fun.
guys should try this at home. Except you need a lot of eye protection.
And lots of rubber bands.
Yeah, and don't be scared. It's gonna come at you, but
It's
not that bad.
Thanks for watching!
Bye!